So what I'm going to try and do, I'm not going to watch this arm coming in and wait for it and look for the arm and then go when it gets there. Yeah? I'm going to use this action here. So I'm coming across that there, okay? And I'm giving him the idea that something is cutting the throat. I was a bit early that first time. Yeah? And number 2. So I'm preempting, I'm coming up here and I'm disturbing his posture, his kazushi, by cutting through here. He's trained against people, the people we fight should be trained against people with weapons, and he should see this here as a draw that he needs to be worried about. 3 and 4, so instead of waiting for this and meeting the hand, I'm immediately cutting here, okay? So again, cutting to the throat, and then I meet afterwards. So again, I'm not watching the hand and trying to shoot out and meet the hand. Going for the cut. So 4. Okay. 5. Again, I can wait for the hand and then try and catch it, which isn't great, or I can see that shot there. Yeah. So if Sensei, do the same side again, if Sensei sees this as a threat and starts to pull back, then it becomes more of a traditional block. 7 and 8, with 7, I'm going to use this to that femoral artery there. Less threatening than these ones. Yeah. But still. So I'm less worried about the block. I'm less worried about the attack. So this is like a sen no sen version of go no sen. So we do number 1 again. Yeah, I'm getting early coming here, very sen. Something which is in the middle of the road, go no sen. Can still get some kazushi, but I've missed the opportunity to catch him mid-flow. Now the final thing is the other extreme, which is the sen no sen version of go no sen. So this is almost zero taisabaki, and when we say Boubisuru to make a protection, it's definitely about protecting yourself, not seizing the initiative. So I'm going to keep it on the spot. I'm going to block 2. So I'm covering. Even more extreme, number 1. I'm very close in. I can reach it out further if I want to. Senzen's not my ideal. 3. Cover. And 4. And 5. Again, leaving it to the last minute. And 6. And 7. And 8.